definition of user-defined exception and user-defined built-in. So first is user-defined exception. In programming, an exception is an event that occurs during the execution of program that disrupt its normal flow or instruction. It signals an exceptional or anomalous condition, often an error, that needs special handling to prevent the program from crashing. When an exception occurs, the program throws an exception object and designated exception handler. Example, a try-catch block attempts to catch and resolve it. Second, user-defined built-in. Refers to element like function, data types, or keywords that are predefined and fidelity available as pure part of programming language or its standard library. You don't need to write custom code or import external modules to use them. They are simply there from the start. They are designed to perform common fundamental tasks efficiently.
Good day, sir. I am Ramil R. Cabuyong, and I am the one who will provide the example for the user-defined exception. So I have a Java program which is age verification or age exception Java program. In this code or in this Java program, I tackle about how it works and the implementation of it. So this is our main method, public class is one. And this is our check age method. So first we will tackle the main method. So in the main method, it contains the try catch, which is to to catch the error and then resolves it, which is like inputting the age and resolving the error by replacing it into something na dili ang compiler ang maghatag sa error message kundi ang mismong program. So diri if magbutang ka sa try og like below 18, it will cause an error then proceed sa catch which mark as error. And then mo proceed before siya mag-create og kay kanang message nga mag-error, moadto sa ato siya sa check age, which is i-check sa niya if under 18 ka ba or 18 plus. If under 18 ka, then mag-throw siya og error nga you must be at least 18 years old. And then if 19 or 18 above ka, then mag-print siya og you are eligible. Now let's try the code. So after running na F15 ang edad dira, then na siya error which is na may nakabutan diri sa if nga conditional or boolean na siya nga dapat dili ka mag below 18. So nag-error siya og you must be at least 18 years old. So if ato na siya ilista og 19 and run ato, then it will print na you are eligible because na satisfy niya ang conditional nga gihatag diri. So mao ra to a very short explanation for the user-defined Java program.
Good day, sir. I am Francis Dave Cañete, and I will provide an example of exception. So, kani siya nga Java program nag-demonstrate kung unsaon pag-handle sa check exception, especially sa file not found exception. So, first is mag-import tag statement kining import java.io. Then, ang ato ang main class, main method, then ato ang try catch block. So, kani nga program naga-attempts nga mag-create og file reader object nga mag-read from file name nga non-existent dot text. Then, since ang operation can throw a file not found exception, so ang try catch block is naga-declare og method signature using throw. So, if ang file is wala nag-exist, ang file reader constructor throws file not found exception. So ang catch block catch sa kani nga exception tas mag-print siya og error message including the exception detail message. So pag i-run nimo siya, hmm, wait lang, loading man. Tagal, ang tagal. So sorry sir. Non-exist that text kay ang program man is ginatry niyag open ang non-existent that text for reading. Since ang file kay wala man siya nag-exist, ang file not found exception is thrown. So ang catch block is nag-handle og exception and print something like kani nga file not found. Marto. Thank you.